It is 45 degrees outside and it's a beautiful window where the weather is warm enough to apply Dormant horticultural oil on my roses. So we are going to do it today. And it's an updated video from last year. Last year I was talking, but this year I'm going to talk and show you how I do it. Olga Carmody with you here today, master gardener from Connecticut. Let's begin. So what is it? All-season horticultural and dormant spray oil? Well, it's a great mineral oil which you can apply during dormant stages of plant's life and during actively growing stages. In the past, this oil was not so well refined, so only dormant applications were available. But now, during summer, if you have an infestation of bed bugs in your garden, you can apply this oil very safely. And it is for organic gardening, very well suited for my garden since I'm trying to grow roses organically here. So, as you can see, it says horticultural and dormant spray oil. So you can use it in summer and in winter, and the difference would be in the amount of oil you use per gallon of water. And why do I like to use this oil in the middle of winter? Well, because the application is stronger, right? The concentration is stronger. And this is a concentrate, by the way. Then during the winter, I don't need to face pollinators. And this oil can harm some bees, very harmful to fish. And there's not much to do in the garden right now. So these first spring activities are very refreshing. And what you need for this project is, of course, your oil and then the choice of sprayer. I'm using this 1 gallon sprayer. It's a pump spray. And it is good for me. I have around 25 roses, so my collection of roses is not big, not too small. If you have a smaller collection of roses, then those hand sprays would be perfect choice for you. And of course, this is concentrate. You can go for already pre-mixed handheld bottle with dormant spray and no pre-mixing, no sprayers, nothing. Just go outside and use your held spray. So that's another option for you. But I am reusing this product from previous year, and I like the concentrate because it's always there. I don't need to go to the store. One more thing. I'm using this pump only for feeding sprays, not weed killing sprays. I don't use weed killer at all in my garden. I do all the manual weeding, but just in case you are doing it, please don't mix different products in one sprayer, because it would be a shame if you have residue from weed killing here and then you apply on your roses mixed with the dormant spray. Oh my gosh. So I just wanted to make sure we all know that one sprayer for one part of job and another sprayer for weed killing job in the garden. Also, somebody was asking me, how do you keep sprayer from clogging? You know what? This spray has 2 little pots here at the top. So what I do, I open it, I take it off, I run it under water, clean it up. It does clog very quickly. After several washes, it has a tendency to kind of run poorly. So cleaning is easy, you know, it's not a difficult job. And the winter application would be from 5 to 7.5 tablespoons of oil per gallon of water. I have 1 gallon right here, and I like to keep my water on it's not warm, but it's lukewarm, because this oil dilutes in the water so much easier, right? And the summer application would be just 4 tablespoons per gallon. And you can apply as many times as you need it. There is no restrictions, only twice a year. Since this is an organic product, disintegrates so quickly. And if you have trouble, infestation of something in the garden, you can use it and get rid of that infestation. Very convenient, highly recommended. All right, so here I have old clothes, and they go straight into the laundry after this. 1, 2, 3, All right, here you go. Our roses will be very happy for this application for us later and will reward us with beautiful blooms. And I'm going to spray all the area around the roots of the rose because some parasites are overwintering there. Also the undersides of branches, and give it a nice soak. Wonderful. Hold on, this spray is a little bit too weak. Here we go. Better. My Katrina rose is next. It is growing in spot shade here, so in spring it suffers. Black spot is quick here to establish itself, especially at the bottom, because sun is slow to come here, right? But once we are moving closer to summer, sun is higher on the sky and my Katrina rose is flourishing here. And by the way, it's not only for harmful insects you can use the spray on roses. It's also against diseases, and there is a section on the manual how to use it against black spot, which is #1 headache of rose lovers here in New England. And I know spraying roses is not the most exciting task to do in the garden, but you know what? When there is nothing going on at the beginning of spring, at the end of winter, this is quite exciting to go outside and start preparing our gardens for a new 2025 adventure. My dear gardeners, we will see you. Have a lovely day.